Hello, I am Dr. Shivnarayan Acharya, nephrologist from Nagpur, Central India. Dear friends, in the year 1990, in the month of August, a young boy named Julfikar came to me in a comatose state and he was in kidney failure. I counseled his parents and we took the patient for dialysis. I told the family that the best treatment for CKD is to do kidney transplant. The family agreed. Mother was more than willing to donate kidneys. We evaluated her and found that mother is suitable for kidney donation. Then we searched for the best operation theatres in Nagpur, and at that time in 1990 the best operation theatres were at Muir Memorial Hospital at Bardi. We met Dr. S.N. Mukherjee, who was the in charge of Muir Memorial Hospital, and he was more than willing to do the transplant program at Muir Memorial. So on 27th of November 1990, we did the first kidney transplantation of Julfikar Ali. Kidney was donated by his mother, and the surgeons were Dr. Vijay Shikhande, Dr. Arvind Joglekar, and Dr. Abhay Bhalme. Dr. Sriram Joshi from Jaslok Hospital, Bombay, and Dr. Chandrasekhar Thatte from Indore, they were the surgeons who came to help us. The anesthesiologists were Dr. Bandu Joshi, Dr. Hemant Sane, and Dr. Masankar. After that, we did 10 successful kidney transplants at Muir Memorial Hospital. All were related kidney transplant. At that time, Sister Ratnam was the matron of Muir Memorial. She helped us a lot. And of course, Dr. S.N. Mukherjee was there to boost us. I am very much thankful to Muir Memorial Hospital for extending us this facility, and my all the best wishes to the Muir Memorial Hospital for the humanitarian work that they are doing. My thanks to everyone. In the history of kidney transplant in Central India, it will be written in golden words that the first kidney transplant in Central India was done in Muir Memorial Hospital on 27th of November 1990. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you very much.
Dear Vilas and people in Muir Memorial Hospital, this comes with my greetings and good wishes for your 125th anniversary. God bless you all. It was wonderful being associated with your hospital and the community there in the late 1980s. My wife and I and our children enjoyed care and time with people on the staff and on the board. I wish you all the best in the years ahead. I do get some reports now and then, but the most important thing was to read the report that Vilas sent me. I hope that the work in your community and in your hospital is still going well. God bless each one of you and all the best to the bishop, the board, the staff, and the community at Muir Memorial Hospital. Take care. Bye.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Gupta. म्यूर के 125 इयर्स कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं एंड इस मौके पर डायरेक्टर विलास शेंडे ने मुझे कुछ शब्द बोलने के लिए कहा है. आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर दैट. मुझे याद है मैं 1987 में मुंबई से एमडी पीडियाट्रिक्स और डीसीएच कर आई थी एंड जॉब देख रही थी कि म्यूर का एडवर्टाइजमेंट आई. मैंने फिर यहाँ आके ज्वाइन किया एज अ फुल टाइम पीडियाट्रिशियन एंड उस समय काम का वर्कलोड बहुत था और आना जाना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा था. तो म्यूर के कैंपस में ही हम शिफ्ट हो गए थे वहाँ के क्वार्टर्स में. वहाँ उस समय सारे फुल टाइमर्स थे सभी डिपार्टमेंट में एंड सब वहीं रहते थे एंड फुल टाइमर्स ही थे. देयर वर नो हाउस ऑफिसर्स. बहुत ज़्यादा काम होने के बावजूद स्टाफ वाज वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट एंड वेरी गुड. तो काम करने में मज़ा आता था. मेरी बच्ची उसमें बड़ी वाली 1 साल की थी एंड छोटी वाली का जन्म बाद में यहीं हुआ था। तो कैंपस में ही मेरे बच्चे बड़े हुए। सारे स्टाफ के बच्चे मुझे आके दिखाते थे, वो भी धीरे धीरे टीनेज तक दिखाते रहे। वर्कलोड ज़्यादा चलता ही रहा एंड काम में मशहूर रही। मुझे याद है छुट्टियों में भी जब कॉल्स आते थे तो मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाती थी, बिकॉज गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट बोलती थी कि प्लीज़ बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम ना हो जाए तो आ जाओ। तो मैं दौड़ के चले जाती थी। घर में सब डांटते रहते थे कि तुम्हारी छुट्टी है, फिर भी मैं चले जाती थी। धीरे धीरे समय निकलता गया। बहुत सारी अच्छी यादें हैं जिनको भूलना बहुत मुश्किल है। मैं इतना अटैच हो गई थी कि मैंने इतने सारे साल निकाल लिए। म्यूर के जॉब को तो सेवा ही बोलेंगे, बिकॉज रेन्यूमरेशन के हिसाब से तो वो सेवा ही दी हमने। एंड अच्छा ही रहा। म्यूर का स्पेशली क्रिसमस का फंक्शन जो बहुत लाइवली रहता था, इतनी रौनक रहती थी, प्रोग्राम बहुत प्यारा रहता था, सभी में इतना सारा जोश रहता था, वो तो हमेशा याद रहेगा। एंड म्यूर के लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्पेशली द सिस्टर्स, सभी स्टाफ, अटेंडेंट्स ये। एंड प्रेजेंटली द डायरेक्टर इज़ वेरी डायनेमिक, मिस्टर विलास शेंडे इज़ वेरी डायनेमिक, सो दैट्स रियली गुड। तो इस प्यारे मौके पर मेरी बेस्ट विशेस टू द डायरेक्टर एंड हिज टीम, और भगवान से प्रे करती हूँ कि म्यूर पर अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स हमेशा बनाए रखे। थैंक यू।
Hello, all my friends. I'm Vasantika Joseph Jacob, ex-assistant nursing superintendent of Mir Memorial Hospital, and today I am 89 years old. Going down the lane of my going down memory lane of my Mir Memorial Hospital, I recollect my good old days. I started as nursing superintendent. I started in the year 1948 and completed my nursing in 1952. I worked as a theatre in charge for 20 years. I decided to do post-graduation in the nursing from New Delhi and Indore. I was promoted as an assistant nursing superintendent in the year 1974. I was fortunate to work with some of my great missionaries like Edith Barber, Dr. Harvey, Dr. Martin, Dr. Rodgi, Dr. Mukherjee, Sister Kennedy, Sister Aisha. We all used to stay in Mir Memorial Hospital compound like one big family and celebrated Christmas and New Year with full of enthusiasm. Your present director, Mr. Vilas Shende, is a very good friend of my own son, Ravi Jacob. We all had very good memorial days together. In this celebration, I wish Mir Memorial Hospital and prosperous future and wish present director and staff and very warm wishes in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. I was very fortunate to be a part of Mayor Memorial Hospital. Good old days. Never be forgotten. I will always miss the good old days of Mayor Memorial Hospital. I wish you all of good luck and God bless you all.